Today, we are bringing you two models under the iQOO 7 series, the iQOO 7 Legend and the iQOO 7. With iQOO 7 series, we have razor-sharp focus on extreme performance and supremely immersive gaming experience. All the variants of the iQOO 7 series will be 5G enabled. And extreme performance is not complete until there is a flagship camera. And in the iQOO 7 series, we have included an innovation that will revolutionize your gaming experience forever.
And therefore, iQOO 7 brings you the dual chip monster. One for performance, one for display. The iQOO 7 is equipped with all-powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. Well, it got an unbelievable AnTuTu score of 7,12,462. Moving forward, iQOO 7 is also equipped with UFS 3.1. iQOO 7 comes with an extended RAM feature which enables users to use part of ROM memory as extra RAM. The iQOO 7 comes with 66 watt flash charge technology, ensuring a complete 0 to 100% charge in just 30 minutes. We also got a huge 4400 mAh battery, so we designed iQOO 7 with 120Hz AMOLED display for smoother and immersive visual experience. Talking about the other parameters of display, iQOO 7 has 1300 nit peak brightness and 60:1 color contrast ratio to make the screen brighter and more colorful. To summarize the extreme performance of iQOO 7, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G mobile platform with enhanced UFS 3.1, extended RAM, super system process, 66 watt flash charge and 120Hz AMOLED display. And now it's time to explain how iQOO 7 is the ultimate gaming smartphone, thanks to its intelligent display chip. We use this intelligent display chip for MEMC, that is motion estimation, motion compensation technology, and fill the gap with more frames. This increases the game from a common 60 FPS to 90 or even up to 120 FPS. When playing 90 FPS, the GPU and intelligent display chip share the work and reduce the temperature and power consumption by 11% and 45% respectively. With super touch acceleration, we have achieved a touch sampling rate of 300 Hz and an instant touch sampling of 1000 Hz. It can give you the fastest touch response of 5.8 milliseconds while gaming. iQOO 7 has a triple rear camera system. The 48MP main camera that uses Sony IMX598 sensor along with optical image stabilization. The 13MP wide-angle camera will make sure you capture more with 120-degree FOV and 2.5cm macro shot to bring out the tiniest detail. And the mono camera that can make the portrait shot more artistic, for example, the black and white. To summarize the camera bit, we have 48MP OIS main camera, ultra stable mode, pro sport mode, pixel shift ultra HD imaging, and extreme night vision. To summarize, it has latest Snapdragon 870 processor, intelligent display chip, 66 watt flash charge technology, 6000 mm² graphite layer full coverage liquid cooling to keep your Legend always cool, and flagship level 48MP main camera with OIS.
So without wasting any time, let me show you the legendary edition of iQOO 7 series. It has many legendary features preloaded in it. Starting from the design, when it comes to holding, the curve of the middle frame is the first thing that we touch and feel. So we chose the cutting edge design with marine aluminum to make the premium and iconic appearance. To continue the strong and powerful feeling, iQOO 7 Legend brings the industry leading performance. This is the smallest 5nm chip. Inside there is a 3-cluster architecture of Kryo 680 CPU, which has one 2.84 GHz of Cortex X1 supercore, 3 2.4 GHz of A78 performance cores, and 4 1.8 GHz of A55 efficiency cores. Not just this, iQOO 7 Legend is also loaded with many other top-class features. Compared to other VC soaking plates, it has 4096 mm² of largest vapor chamber liquid cooling system. Moving forward, iQOO 7 Legend also has surround sound with dual speakers, along with Hi-Fi chip, provides the incredible listening experience. iQOO 7 Legend comes with triple rear camera setup. The main camera is 48 megapixel with OIS. Together with it has 13 megapixel wide angle and macro lens that will further enhance your photography experience. This time iQOO 7 Legend also has dedicated 13 megapixel 50mm professional portrait lens to capture amazing portrait shots. Now to summarize the Legend, it has legendary racetrack design, true flagship 888 processor, 66-watt flash charge technology, 4096 mm² of largest vapor chamber liquid cooling system to keep your Legend always cool, in-display Monster Touch for seamless gaming experience, and last but not the least, the 48 megapixel main camera with OIS.
Let's reveal the price of these two monsters. Let's start with the iQOO 7. The iQOO 7 will be available in 3 variants. Let's see the price of iQOO 7 Legend. The iQOO 7 Legend will be available in 2 variants, and here are the prices. Both the devices will be available on iQOO.com and Amazon with pre-orders starting from 1st May.